Grubbies, time to grub with Sharice. Hello y'all, I'm coming back to y'all today with a highly requested video. So today I did shrimp and grits. Maybe I can see that. Yum yum stuff. Yes. Shrimp and grits, y'all. Alright. And it came out awesome. It came out delicious. And then it's time to grub. Let's give God some glory. Amen. All right, y'all, we're gonna dig in and show y'all. My grits came out bomb. My grits came out bomb. My grits came out bomb. All right, it's about to fall. Shrimp, grits. They're good. Yeah. Yeah, I got some bacon that I crisped up and I crinkled it and put it on top. And I got my shrimp sauteed in butter. And I put I sauteed the shrimp with some onion and butter and Tony Saturia. I crisped up my bacon. On top, I put a little bit of raw onion, white, and some raw green onion. And it came out delicious, y'all. When I made my grits, I used milk in them. So they look more white and creamy, as you can see. It's what? So good. Look at that. Today I'm drinking pineapple coconut by Clear American Waters. Yum. But what has everybody been up to? I know y'all enjoyed those French toast burgers that I cooked. And I thank y'all so much for viewing me and Kayla's live. We had such a good time. Breakfast for the champion. Or shall I say for the queen? Me. I watched so many videos, y'all, on shrimp and grits. And I think it came out really good because all the flavor is so good. I don't know if I ever told y'all, but I love onion. I love onion cooked. I love onion raw. Every time I get a bite of the raw white onion and the cooked one, oh my goodness, it's so good. I'm gonna show y'all without dropping it. Look at all that. And I didn't drop it. Yay. So good. Yeah, and this doesn't even take long to make. So simple, so easy, so good. Whew. Yeah, I've been up and about. I took my daughter to go pay some bills, and then As I took her, my oldest daughter, I took her to work. She worked at Mac in Dillard's in the mall. And then I came home and I cooked this. After I do this, I'm going to rest until it's time for me to go to work. Y'all been watching some new YouTube channels? A couple of them I didn't even know. There's some people who commented on my videos like all the time, and I didn't even know that they had like a mukbang channel. So I found a couple. And I subscribe to them, of course. But I watched some of their videos and I really did like their content. So it's like sometimes you just want to find a new channel, you know, just to watch. I'm gonna shout out the two people at the end of the video. I can't think of the names right now, but I got them. I'm gonna shout them out the end. The two new channels that I found, and I also, if I don't forget, well, I promise, I'm gonna insert their channel, link to their channel, so y'all can go and check them out. Y'all, this some good eats. There is nothing wrong with shrimp and grits. Oh. I'm supposed to be talking. I forgot. That feels good. But shrimp and grits is a staple down south. And we've been eating it for years. But there's so many different takes on it online. And I'm sure it originated in probably New Orleans or something. So as I was looking on YouTube, and there was so many cheesy grits with shrimp, lobster and grits, and shrimp and grits, and also down here we do eat the fried catfish and grits. But shrimp and grits has come a mighty long way. It's the delicacy. Let me see if I can get a bite of everything again for y'all. But now, honey, they must have like Chicago style shrimp and grits, New York style shrimp and grits, everything. And it all just looks so yummy. But if you really want a recipe for shrimp and grits, go on YouTube. Punch in how to make shrimp and grits, and baby, it's gonna pop up. Oh yes, oh yes. Y'all, this is like heaven. Oh yeah, I'm full. No more. I got a little corner left. I'm full. Alright, y'all, I'm so full. So the two channels that I want to give a shout out to is a channel called MELLIE Indie, and she does mukbangs. And I also want to give out another shout out to Eating, Cooking, and Beauty. Eating, Cooking, and Beauty. I'm going to have the links down below. Y'all check them out. They are some mukbang channels that I just discovered. I don't know if y'all know them, but check them out. Alright, y'all. Well, this is my awesome shrimp and grits. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't want to keep y'all too long, but I just want to tell y'all that always remember to dab on your haters, like Kay say, you go dab on your haters and sparkle on them. And I will see you the next time it's time to grub. Bye, y'all. Love you. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, okay? And join the family. Bye.